Hello guys, welcome back. I'm back with another video, and in this video I will be showing you how I restored a microwave with another microwave parts. So the reason why I did this is because of I preferred to go for a good brand option. So as you can see, this is the one that is damaged, so that I need to fix. So when I open up this cover, the combining element was stolen, so I have to check all the things that are missing here. So let me open this one. I hope this one is still functioning. Maybe I have to fix some few things so to bring it, so that I can bring it back to life. But the reason why that one has a stolen heating element is because of the brand. So as you can see here, this one has chipped paint inside the cooking chamber. So when I remove everything, find out that this one is already bad damaged. So let's test and see if this one can be functional. So as you can see, it failed. So I need to check some few things. The main thing is the power supply fuse. So when I check here, everything was gone. There's nothing, it was blown off. So I just put a little wire just for temporary testing. So as you can see, the motor the motor cooling fan is spinning, but you cannot say because there is no light that shows that the microwave is functioning. So I have to replace this light that I took from this other microwave. So I will bring it back when I want to do the test. So as you can see, everything goes real well. So I feel like the problem with this one was the main power fuse. The water is heating really faster, so I need to remove the component of this microwave and shift it to this other microwave. So the first thing I need to do is to use the vinegar to clean it off, because it looks dirtier and it looks much older. So this is a good option if you want to clean everything, some of the things in your house. Just use vinegar, white vinegar. As you can see here, the stains that should be removed, and the outer case also, it looks very nasty. So after doing so, I'll be start disassembling everything, because the customer called me telling me about how bad the microwave is, because this was given to someone to fix. So the guy failed and returns everything back, and now they decided to call me to check for them. So when I get into the house, they were happy to see me, and I was fixing everything while they're watching me live. So let me test the capacitor, check if they are reading the same value with this one. And the best thing that you need to pay attention to, guys, is when you're trying to swap the components, you should make sure that these microwaves watts, voltage and frequency and are rated the same and have the same values. I mean the same value number to the other one. So if you check a heating element to feed it to other microwave that has different transformer value to other one, you may end up messing up things. So I need to pay attention on that one before causing disaster. So now we've extracted our heating element. So the thing you need to check first is the magnets of this heating element. If you see it scratchable like this, it means the magnets are still in good condition. They are not separated, or they're not broken, because once they break, they become solid and cannot be scratched like this. And if you take your multimeter to test this heating element, it's still telling you that this thing is still functioning, because the main thing that got damaged and caused this one to fail are those two magnets. So let me show you how to test it. It is simple, guys. You just put your multimeter to continuity, so whether the magnets got damaged or not, it is still going to read the same, as you can see. So another thing, you need to test how powerful your magnet. If they still attracting steel like this, it means they are still in a good condition. So now we need to feed it back right now. So when I tried to feed it this thing facing down, the disadvantage was it was getting blocked by the transformer. It was not functioning, feeding very well. So I decided to turn it upside down, and everything was starting to make sense. So let me screw it into place, and step to another go to another step. So this is how it is, guys, and I feel like we're winning. So this is how it is. And another thing that you need to check, if your microwave is functioning but not heating, you need to test this protective fuse here. So if it is still okay, it means we are lucky on this one. Let's move to something else. So we come here, there is a resistor, 3000 kilo ohm resistor here that protects a lot of stuff, like a cooling fan and a turntable motor. So here it is, 3000 kilo ohms. So let's go to 20,000 selection. So if we have a reading here, then we move to our thermal protective fuse. So yeah, we are done here. So let's check another one. Let's get rid of the thermal protective fuse. So here is the relay, and this relay functions with the main protective fuse. As you can see, there is nothing here, everything was removed. So this is the main power supply fuse. So this is the thing that I've been talking about. Same frequency, same output voltage, same rating watts, and everything need to look the same. So moving forward, we need to put something like what we did previously to the first microwave, just to test if this thing is functioning before looking for the fuse itself. So I feel like I've damaged this ball pen spring, a return spring, and if this one goes here, I feel like it has the same diameter with the main power supply fuse. So I just shove it in, so it fits very well. So I'm not going to use this one for a very long time. And when I look down here, another wire was well, it gets snapped, so it snaps away from the transformer. So I need to put another wire connector here in order for this one to connect very well. So I need to use the right tools, guys, to get everything done properly. Here it is. So as you can see here, fit it and clamped it. Well, the right option, clamping two teeth. Plugged it in. For doing so, turn back the fuse and switch it off before testing anything. So this is our first attempt, and put in the turntable plate, put our water. First attempt, here it is. Our microwave came back to life. So I've noticed something. What is it? Go back again. The turntable is not turning at all. So we need to go back and flip the microwave upside down and move the base plate. So this water get heated faster. So that's the main reason why the microwave cannot cook properly without a turntable, because everything got heated very bad. So let's remove this one and go straight to the turntable motor. So I'm also going to use this that one from the other microwave. So I need to test if the problem is coming from the motor itself or the supply wires. So I need to turn the microwave on and plug it and hold one of the supply cord teeth, touch it if it is reading, and both of these terminals, as they're reading, the problem will be coming from your motor itself. So I removed the motor from another microwave. So it is the same reading numbers again, everything, voltage. You need to pay attention to. So I want to test, see if it's still in a good condition. You see the numbers are different. For this one the numbers are higher, so this is damaged. So I need to remove it, remove the paste that protects water from seeping inside the motor itself, and replace it onto this one and fit it back. So everything is good now. So let's connect it and see what is going to happen. So we're done here. We're coming to our second attempt. So let's see, guys. Try it, and here we go. We got it. So I got another fuse here that I was trying to use, but I felt like this one was not designed for holding high voltage, and not designed for this one. So I have to wrap money clip wire, which was a good option, and mimic the fuse diameter and fit it over there where the fuse is supposed to go, because that spring of the ball pen got failed instantly. So but this one made the microwave to function. So I just did this for the video, guys. Do not use this one at home. I guarantee you to go and buy the right fuse. Let me put it here so that you can see which one is the right one. So that was the right fuse. So guys, if you see this video helpful and good for you, please subscribe, like, check more videos, and I'll appreciate your support. Let's grow this channel together, and I'll be there for you. So continue cleaning with the vinegar, the whole interior cooking chamber. Now it's coming to look different, as you can see. So this is how it is, guys. Thanks for watching. So, and the main reason why I preferred using this microwave is because of the brand. You know, the bigger the brand, the better the quality of everything. As you can see, the interior is not chipped. I mean, the interior paint is not chipped. It's still good and still in a good condition. And another thing is there's something that we call it a wave guide. So this one has a unique designed wave guide that I need you to see, guys. Maybe it is the one that caused this one to be more pricey than that one. So we have our microwave back in life. So this is the wave guide that I am talking about, compared to this one. As you can see, this one can get easily removed if somebody is trying to clean microwave. Look at the interior. The whole thing, the whole paint gets chipped easily and with moist. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.